Welcome to max session. Okay, now we have moved to the end of our first chapter. Okay, so let us fast complete this, and this time you have many things to do. Okay, so let us see. Trace the 3D shapes. Okay, so here one girl Shreya is playing with the empty box. Each box has different shape. She takes a cube-shaped box and traces one of its face a square. So the straight line that forms a flat shape are called sides. The sides are other meets at other corner at meets at corner. Okay. So here when you trace the 3D shapes, you will get flat shapes, or you can say 2D shapes. So let us see. If you trace a cube, okay, which shape can you trace in this? See, black line, red line, okay, all black dotted line, you can see it's a shape of a square. So if you trace the cube like Shreya, you will get square shape, right? Now second picture you can see it's a cuboid. So if you trace the prism, prism means rectangular prism, cuboid, you will get rectangular face also, shape also, and square shape also. So two shapes you will get here, rectangular shape and square shape. Now if you take an object looking like a cylinder, so what you will get? You will get two circles, up and down, right? So when you trace a 3D shape, you are getting 2D shapes. Now let us have a look. Triangle, you have learned in first grade. Triangle has 3 sides, 3 corners. Circle has 1 side. 1 means curved side. Now you know curved face, flat surface, right? So curved side and no corners. Square has 4 sides, 4 corners. Rectangle also has 4 sides, 4 corners. This you have learned in first grade. Just I am revising. Now revision. Okay, so there is nothing like anything left in our chapter. Now this session is mainly for revision only. So let us find out. We have learned in this session 3D shapes, okay, or you can say solid shapes, right? So how many solid shapes we have learned? Cuboid, cube, cylinder, sphere, cone. Okay, so 5 3D shapes we have learned in this chapter. Now let us revise its property. See, we have learned that types of surfaces. Some shapes have flat surfaces, some have curved surfaces, some have both. So let us find out. Cone has one flat surface, one curved surface. Cylinder has two flat surface, one curved surface. Sphere has no flat surface, one curved surface. Cube has 6 flat surface, no curved surface, and cuboid as well, 6 flat surfaces, no curved surfaces, right? So this is the just an explanation or revision, you can count it. So this is the very important table. Now let us move to the next slide. Then we will have learned which figure can slide, which figure can stack, and which shapes can roll. So you have done the activity as well, right? And you have enjoyed a lot. Many students have enjoyed it very well. So let us revise one more time. Cube, it can slide, it can stack, but it can't roll because it doesn't have curved surface. Sphere, yeah, no, it can't slide, it can't stack, only it can roll. Cone, it has both flat and curve, so it can slide as well, roll, but we can't stack it. Stack means to keep one object on other, right? Cylinder also has flat surface as well as curved surface, so it can slide, it can stack, and it can roll. Prism here, cuboid, yes, it can slide, it can stack, but it can't roll because it doesn't have curved surface. Now let us move to the next slide. Now the chapter has been completed. Okay, now from here all are your homework. So I think because I have taken the I have textbook, and you will get textbook tomorrow, so you can do these pages in your textbook as well. Okay, so let us see. First homework is find out if you trace a ball or a birthday cap, which shape you will get. This is the first homework. Second, this is the page number I will mention in the WhatsApp group. Exercise 1.1. Write down the number of flat and curved faces of the given shapes. One is already done to you. We have learned the table. You can refer it and you can write down. And then the same activity what you have done. You have to check, you have to see, observe the shapes and find out whether it can roll. Which objects can that roll and slide. Roll and tick the object that roll and slide. Okay, so both. Okay, so this is the exercise you have to do. Next is match the objects. You have to find out the correct shadow. Okay, when you trace something, you will get the same shadow of it. So you have to find out the correct shadow of it and do the very simple thing here. Okay, this much only. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you.